Welcome everyone. This is another game I have. It's called Real Fishing VR. So we're gonna catch some fish. Yeah. Woohoo! Which I haven't got any medals yet. And Christmas is over. We're in January 2025. Okay, let's go fishing. Let's do maybe River Han. And do some fishing. Ooh, glasses. Casting. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Now let's recast it. Let's recast it. Let's go. Oops. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. Takes a while for the fish to bite. Ooh, double rainbow. Pretty. Come on, you're playing with it. Oh, he's fighting. Come on. No. Ah, he broke my line. I don't know. Let's do maybe a grasshopper. Maybe I can figure this out. Hopefully. Let's go with MP3 player. Hopefully we can buy a worm. We can probably use some crawfish. I don't know. I just ran out of bobbers. Great. Oh shoot. My bad, everyone. Hopefully, we'll find some more fish. Maybe. Let's go. We need a new bobber. Let's go to event fishing. Ooh, look at all this winter. Look at all this snow. Dang. I don't have any bobbers. Look at all the fish. Look, I got my worm on a hook, but no bobber. There, that should be enough. Here we go. Here we go. We got some fishies now. Time to go fishing! Woohoo! We can do this! Time to fish. Now we wait. They're playing with it. Come on, come on. Woo. Let's go, let's go. Come on now. No, no, no. Mine, mine. Aww. It's a small little fish. It's a pond smelt, whatever that is. He's too small, but we can release it. My worm is still on that hook. Nice. Watch out, duckies. Or swans, whatever you are. Come on. Woo! Come on. No, not in the red. Only the blue, no. Ah, we lost him. I have one more bobber, sadly. Oh, not good, but it's okay. Let's fish around. Let's fish around. Right here. Oops. There we go. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. They're playing with it. My little bait on that hook. Come on, come on. Woo, come on, no, no. It's my last bobber. Ah! Oh no. Still got my bobber. Woo. We can do this, guys. Let's go. We can do it. Here, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come and get it. I must have cast in the wrong spot. I'm gonna reel it out. Hold on. There we go. Get it. No, come on. Yes, come on. Oh, no, you're down. Come on, baby. Ooh, come on. No, no, no. Ah, not cool. Definitely not cool. Come on! No! You're not escaping me! Nya, 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 nya. Woohoo! Aw, it's another baby fish. Aw, he's too small. Why not to keep it? Get some money. Yeah, let's go. Hopefully this voice will get me more subscribers for my YouTube channel, that is. Come on, come on. Woo. No, 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 no. No. Fish, am I right? Grief. They won't escape. Let's do maybe where the swans are. Too far. Still got my bobber. It's hard not to laugh, but this is funny. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. You know you want it. Come on, come on. Could be a big one. No! We caught some baby fish. Hopefully we'll catch some big ones. Come on, here fishy. Come on, let's go. No. Ah, son of a fish. I said, son of a fish. That's what I said, son of a fish. Sorry, swans. Beautiful swans. Come on. Yeah. Dang. We'll never get a big fish. Come on. You're mine. Let's go. No. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Oh, there was a huge fish. Did you see that? Holy crap. Whew. I think I ran out of bait. He really liked that worm, that's for sure. Let's try a grasshopper. Ooh, we got some red fishies and one green fish. Come get the grasshopper. Big fish, you're mine. I saw you jump out of that water. It's him! The big fish I was after! No! Yeah, he's fighting me! No. Aw. You weren't the big fish I was after, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna do one more fishing. Hopefully I'll catch a bigger one. So let's get to it. Let's get it. I can't talk. Let's get it. Yeah. Hungry fishies. Let's go! I think I got him! The big fish! Aww. Look how cute he is, but he's not big enough. 3.448 inches. But, you know, 8 credits. Cha-ching! The swans are very pretty. Very pretty. Let's go! Come on! We can do it! It's him! Ah! Yes! Come on! It's gotta be him! What the heck is that? It's rare. Oh, it's a heart-ringed octopus. That's the first I caught. Heart-ringed octopus. Cute. Aw, it's so cute. Aw. Keep. Come on. Come on! Come on! It's gotta be him! No! Come on! gotta be the biggest darn fish. Ew. Ah, almost had him. I ran out of bobbers. Dang. Even though heart-ringed octopus. First thing I caught. They're pretty. Well, I ran down of bobbers, guys. I just thought to show you this game I have. So you guys have a good night. Hopefully you like my voice. But this is Blue the Raptor 24. Have a good night. Bye, guys. Also, in my YouTube videos, we have about 362 subscribers. Yay! So, you guys have a good night. Bye. And thanks for the support of my YouTube channel. Bye.